simple and pure. I'm your host Dr. Vaishali, and in today's lecture we are going to learn difference between civil law and criminal law. This question can be asked in classification of law, and this question can be asked for short notes as well. So stay tuned. Major difference between civil law and criminal law is that civil law is considered as a part of private law and criminal law is considered as a part of public law. Why? See, if there is a contract between A and B, that A wants to sell his horse to B for 50,000 rupees and B agrees, then A says, I'm not going to complete the contract. In this case, B can go to a civil court and file a suit against A. So it comes under private law. If A attacks B with a knife, in this case over here it is a duty of a state to protect a person which is attacked. Okay, so it comes under the domain of public law. So criminal law is a part of public law and civil law is a part of private law. There are three laws which comes under public law. One is criminal law. In criminal law you have all the subjects like IPC, CRPC, POSCO, TADA, MOCA. Okay, they are part of public law. In public law again there are three types: criminal law, constitutional law and administrative law. Okay, in civil law there are all the other laws. Contract law is there, property laws is there, negotiable instruments act is there, trust is there. So that is there in a civil law. Second difference between civil and criminal law. Civil law regulates transactions between private parties. Okay, so if there is a dispute between you and your neighbor, okay, on a property, it will come under civil law. In case of criminal law, it deals with cases where the other party is state, and that's why in IPC, in constitution, in administrative law, second party is always state. Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India, second party is always state because it is a duty of a state to maintain peace and order in society or to protect public, and that's why second party is always state in case of criminal law. Okay, so this is the second difference. Now what is the third difference? Civil law regulates civil transactions or transactions of civil nature like contract law, property law. In case of criminal law, a criminal content is involved, like some offense is there, attack or rape or suicide or culpable homicide or murder. So criminal type of intent or criminal content is there in case of criminal law. Fourth difference, objective of civil law. Basically, objective of civil law is to correct whatever problem is happened. Object of civil law is to correct the problem. Okay, so object is corrective in case of civil law, but in case of criminal law, object is to punish. Object is punitive. So object of civil law is corrective and object of criminal law is punitive. Criminal law wants to punish the wrongdoer so that he is threatened from or he is warned from committing the same crime again, and society also gets a lesson. So object of both the laws is again different. Next, type of punishment. In case of civil law, punishments are mild usually, okay, in the form of compensation or damages to the victim. In case of criminal law, punishments are not mild but they are severe, so they are called fines and not damages, or punishment, imprisonment, solitary confinement or hanging to the death. These types of punishments are there in case of criminal law. So punishments are also different. Last, examples. Example of civil law: law of contract, law of property, trust, negotiable instrument act, intellectual property rights. In case of criminal law, give the examples like Indian Penal Code, law relating to evidence. Okay, then we have POSCO, we have sexual harassment laws, we have domestic violence laws, we have TADA, we have MOCA. Okay, so these types of laws are there in case of criminal law. So how will you conclude? Civil law is a part of private law, criminal law is a part of public law because it is a duty of a state to maintain peace in public. Okay, so it is a part of public law. Civil law deals with transactions between private parties, while criminal law deals with transactions where the second party is state. Civil law deals with civil type of transactions or peaceful type of transactions. Criminal law deals with transaction where criminal content is there. Objective of civil law is to correct. Okay, object of criminal law is to punish. Punishments are mild in case of civil law, like compensation and damages. In case of criminal law, punishments are harsh, like fines or imprisonment or solitary imprisonment and so on. Examples of civil law, examples of criminal law, and then conclude. So that's it for the day. Stay tuned till my next lecture. Goodbye and good luck.